Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to simply check if your air conditioning is cooling properly. All you have to do is to get a temp gun like this. No special refrigerant gauges or really anything needed that would require you to actually have knowledge of how to fix air conditioning. All you need to do is get the return air temperature of your return. So in this case, our return air temperature is 73 degrees. Go over to one of your vents, which is called a supply vent, and get your supply temperature, which the unit just shut off. Turn it back on real quick. Just bear with me 1 second. Typically though, you want anywhere from 18 to 22 degrees between your return temperature and your supply temperature. Anything below 15 degrees, you know your system either has a stopped up coil or is low in refrigerant or has some other malfunction going on with it, as far as TXV, piston, whatever the metering device of the refrigerant is. But typically you want anywhere from 15 to 22 degrees, depending on if it is a really efficient system or it's a system that's 20, 30 years old. It just all depends on how old the system is, the condition of the coils on the indoor and outdoor unit, and whether the coils, like I said again, are clean, and also your filters. If your filters are dirty, you will not have optimum efficiency on your unit at all. So like I was saying, so if I'm pulling in 73 degree air, for optimum efficiency, you want at least 63 degrees air coming out the vents. And typically it'll be a little bit colder than that, but in the hottest months of the summer, it will not be. Y'all have a good day.